Introduce. This be your girls from FEFAN, ChURi the MARAMZ.
This be ChURi the MARAMZ
Productions. Okay, this be your girl.
Introducing
D, Don.
T, Tiaare. LIEN.
And CC, Sixtina.
This
Productions.
Yeah, nigga.
This song is dedicated to Marman, Naomi, and Kimberly. Love you guys. Hope you guys like it.
And sorry, you other peeps.
Yeah.
Love you. Okay.
Sorry, it wasn't
Don't
really
answer
planned
I.
out.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Missing your face and your touch, missing your kiss and your love, missing every little bit of piece of you. Baby, would you meet me halfway? I'm down for you. Oh, the many things that I would do just to feel you, hold you. Man, it's so hard not to have you here. You're probably sitting like me, missing you, baby. Ooh, promise to listen before you sleep. 'Cause when I'm staring at the stars, looking at the moon, wishing that I could be there with you. It's okay and it's alright. Baby, listen to this lullaby. Good night, sleep tight. Dream away with me tonight. Yeah, you can sit on the phone, busting all night until the early morning. It's still not the same when you're far away. Hearing your voice, I got no choice. It's the only way for me to feel closer. I guess till then, just listen. 'Cause I'm staring at the stars, looking at the moon, wishing that I could be there with you. It's okay and it's alright. Baby, listen to this lullaby. Good night, sleep tight. Dream away with me tonight. Wherever you are, no matter how far, just listen for me. I'll sing you to sleep. I love you. Good night. Dream away with me tonight.
T for the. That's what's up, nigga. Peace.
Okay.